Well, welcome back to the summer term here at Kingsley, and an especially warm welcome to the parents of Year 6 students, those from the prep school and those from local primary schools who are going to be joining us in Year 7 in September. As part of that transition and to help you become familiar with some of the things that we do here at the senior school, we thought it would be a good idea to invite you to view this video each week. And so you'll be getting it every Friday, and just for a weekly roundup and a bit of news and a word from myself. We started very busy this week on Monday with an immersive whole school living history workshop. So all of years 7 to 9 plus history groups, years 10 to 13, all took part in an immersive history experience about the First World War, complete with rifles, ammunition, not live, uniforms, dressing up, gas masks, and everything in the theatre. A wonderful day, thoroughly enjoyed, and then followed up on Wednesday with the visiting theatre group, Les Enfants Terribles, who worked with years 7 and 8 on puppetry and making puppets come to life and a little bit of magic out of just ordinary everyday items and articles. Some well dones, particularly to Freddie and Toby, who have been performing at St Mary's Church on the Sunday service band each week, and Freddie, who's been part of the house band at the Palladium Club open mic night in Barnstaple, who performed along with Tabs and our very own director of music, Mr Wright, recently. Following on from some fantastic sporting success at the very end of last term into the Easter holidays, where our under-15s won that thrilling Devon final. That's the rugby team, that is. We've had lots of success in gymnastics and swimming too. We've got Taya, Jessie, Evie and Willow at the British Schools Gymnastics Championships this weekend in Stoke. And we've got our year 5 and 6 swimming team through to the National Primary Schools Team Relay Finals in Sheffield later this year as well. Lots of other swimming successes over the Easter period include Harrison, who got 3 gold medals and 3 silvers in various events and competitions, Willow for her bronze, and Elise, who got 2 golds, 1 silver and 2 bronze in her events. We kick off, or bowl off should I say, this term with cricket and also athletics, as those seasons have now started, and we're looking forward to our first cricket match next week. Now, it was fantastic to read this week in the ISI inspection report that I sent out to all parents about our outdoor education pathway and the Earth Centre pathway, and the benefits that those 2 pathways have on mental health and well-being for all of our students. Getting involved, team building, leadership, and building resilience and learning new skills, etc., all part of developing great mental health and well-being amongst our student body. No more so than in the 3 big challenges that are coming up this term. Our students are currently preparing for the Jubilee Challenge, the 10 Tours Challenge, and the Exmoor Challenge. And that's students from year 6 right through to year 13 getting involved in those. Now, the weather is starting to turn for the better, and we've had 120 students in the water this week on surfboards. It's wonderful to have such an amazing program. We're the only school in the country to have this, which we're really proud of, and we've got some great offers for you as well. First one, if any of your children have got friends that want to get involved in surfing in a safe way and learn more about it and join the Surfing Academy, we can do that through in the evenings and at weekends, and we're inviting now members of the public to come along, get involved, and benefit from all of those positives that surfing has to offer. Details on the website, do have a look. Also, we are collaborating now with O'Neill. O'Neill are going to be a provider for wetsuits for us, and we're going to be operating a lease purchase or a lease hire scheme, which you can get details from directly from Mr. Dupuy, or we'll be sending those out to everybody. And the idea there is to try and make it a little bit more sustainable in terms of wetsuits and how often we have to change those. So at cost price, far more affordable for everybody, and being able to hire a wetsuit and then hand it back at the end of the season, so that next year you're not having to purchase or buy another one every time as your children grow up and get older and bigger. This hopefully is going to be a big advantage for, as I say, both sustainability and affordability. And we have just over here, and the reason I'm standing outside the Surf Academy now, is our new outdoor changing and chill out area that's being developed. So when that's finished, I'll be able to show you how wonderful that's going to look. Some quick dates for your diary. 23rd of April, we are having a wellness and mental health day. There will be some of our pets, staff pets in school for the children to come along and stroke, but we're inviting the students to come along in their pyjamas or loungewear, sensible pyjamas, as a non-uniform option. 6th of May, we have the PTA May Day Fair. That's the May Bank holiday. If you do have any tombola prizes or filled jars that you can donate, please bring them into reception and we'll collect them from you there. And also, we have in reception every Friday a box for food bank donations. If your children can bring in anything at all that we can then put into that box and donate to the Bideford Food Bank, that'll be absolutely amazing. Well, following a great set of results from our Year 11s and Year 13s in the practice exams they did just before Easter, we now have the Year 10s and 12s about to start their practice exams week on Monday. And then after that, the Year 11s and the Year 13s will be really gearing up for their public examinations proper. And we wish everybody all the very best and great luck in all of their hard work and preparation for that, and of course for the actual examinations themselves. Well, the sun is coming out, so have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you again next week. Thank you.